Yeah, it does.
But don't be letting appearances fool you. This mountain is home to the highest, wettest, fastest waterfall of these parts. Why folks come from miles around just to try its 50-foot plunge. Folks, we're now arriving at Frontierland Station, gateways to the west. You get walking.
Entrance Splash Mountain.
Photo pass. You get 3
Story. Splash Mountain, where water comes from. Please, Grandpa. Can you tell us the story?
Yeah, that's it. Splash Mountain. So if we make his way down now.
Sparrow, speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones? Right, the lumber aloft, mateys! Where is that sparrow?
Good, isn't it?
Belay there, you cocks and spawn. And now, you bilge rats, do I hear six? Who makes it six? Six should be. I'm not sponging for rum. It be gold I'm after. Strike your colors, you brazen wench. No need to expose your superstructure.
Come on,
Have a little rum with old Kid, right? Come on now, be a nice little pussycat.
Devils and blacks, you really bad eggs. Drink up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this porter, son. It's starting to become my expenses. And a chest of jewels. Drink up, behinds. Yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. It is true.
Larger than normal. For instance, on either side of the boat here, you are going to find some giant butterflies. Yeah, their wingspans range from 12 inches all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, that's amazing, isn't it? Yes, 22 more jokes like that one. All right, we're on the bend here, though, is Inspiration Falls. And you're going to ask yourself, why do we call this Inspiration Falls? So I'll tell you, because it inspires us to go. Yes, deeper, and deeper, and why not add even deeper into the jungle? Come on, everybody. Ooh. Well, that wasn't inspiring. I don't know what. All right, you know what? If I can get the group of you to turn around and have a look behind us there, you're going to see exactly where we just were. Yes, isn't that exciting? All right. Well, we are now traveling down the Congo River in the heart of Africa. Are you folks up for a party? Yeah. Well, I tell you what, well, the Pygmies, they usually throw some really killer parties. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop by their camp up here and, okay, well, let's scratch that idea. Yeah, it looks like a pretty dead party anyhow. Yeah, I don't know what could have scared them off. Sometimes 34-and-a-half-year-old jokes will do that, but not quite sure exactly what we're going to find hanging around out here. And, oh, it's a 24-foot python, and it swallows small children, all, especially wearing blue shirts. All right, you know what we're going to do? We're going to stop by the camp up here, and, no, maybe not. Yeah, it looks like the movers have arrived. Yeah, they've moved everything out. I couldn't even get my Jeep to start this morning, but they got the turnover. Yes, the jokes out here cannot get any better. Trust me, I know. I'm here every 10 minutes. And the scenery just doesn't change. All right, well, we are now traveling down the third river of our voyage. It's the Nile River, and it stretches over 4,000 miles long. Yes, coming up on the left-hand side is an African elephant. And you know what? As a matter of fact, on the opposite side is a second African elephant. Actually, the second one, he's telling us to come closer. Let's find out what he wants here. Oh, you want to get everybody wet? All right, here comes the most exciting part. Stay dry, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you'll get wet later. All right, over here though is sandstone, but most of you will take it for granted. Yeah, I told you it does not get any better. All right, off in the distance though is the African belt, and you can see we have some Donald Trump look-alike wildebeest, the world's tallest spotted cheetahs in the back there, some 1971 impalas, even some battery-operated ducks, and a zebra up there named Kenny. Yeah, I think we all know what happened to Kenny, but hey, don't worry, the lions are just babysitting them. And oh, wow. Yeah, up ahead here is the last group that was on the boat here. Yeah, they thought that they could get off the boat early. And they also thought they could outrun the African rhino. But as you can see, I bet you now, yeah, they're going to get the point of all the jokes in the end. Yeah, that is just plain awkward. All right, you know what? Over on the opposite side, you would normally find some monkeys. But you know, every time I've gone in there to try to find them, I keep tripping over speakers. Yeah, I'm not sure what that deal's all about. But over on the opposite side, though, is the start of crocodile country. And the reason why you can tell it's crocodile country is, well, hey, there's some crocodiles. Yeah, they just kind of lie around all day. They're kind of attached to the place. But you know, as we're out here, we sometimes will come across rapids, and sometimes even monsoons. But you know what? Usually, most of the time, it's usually waterfalls. Actually, you know what? You folks on this side, you might want to find in just a tad bit because the back of the boat is going to swing around and do absolutely nothing. Yes. Yeah, we actually don't get wet until we go through that water hippos. Yeah, it's a good thing we're in a boat, though. Yeah, you can see that some of our hippos out here like to blow bubbles, and some of them like to grow green mossy beards, and some of them even show off their dentures here. And some are, oh wow, actually getting really close to the boat here. You know, if the gun on this boat actually did work, I could actually try to shoot down these hippos, but hey, that's called a malfunction. Man, oh, wait a minute though.
Body died.
Oh, something tells me we're not quite out of trouble yet. Actually, you know what? Well, these natives up here, they're doing a very familiar dance. Yes, right now they're trying to figure out who lost the key to the restaurant.
First time cameras drove in years. Danger to real life. They lost your steering.
Ghoulish delight. Mortals to the haunted mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery, here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Now drag your exhausted, muggy bodies off my walls into the dead center of the room. You just never know.
And no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.